Welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, welcome. If you're an old subscriber, thanks for always coming. And if you want to see how I achieved this, I made the sauce, don't skip. Let's get right into the video. I have my vegetables, some cabbage, green pepper, spring onions, and some carrots. Then I have my ginger garlic pepper mix, okay, 2 eggs. I have my chicken stock and some curry powder, seasoning, and powdered pepper. I have my sardine too and some onions. So let's get right into the cooking action. Put your saucepan on the burner, whatever, and make sure it dries up. Okay, so sorry I lost that footage. I put in some oil, then my ginger pepper mix and some onions. So fry till the onions is caramelized, and we continue from there. So fry till it's caramelized. I mean, to your own perfection. It's your food, do it your way. So when it's fried, we're going to shift it to one side, place our eggs, and then put it at the other side for it to fry. So we want the egg to take all the sauce or the juice that is lying in the pan. No waste in my kitchen, guys. Had to put all the eggs right there. So let's wait for the eggs to fry for a while. Then we mix it together, I mean. So let it fry for a while. Fry for 1 minute, 2 minutes, 30 seconds rather. Then we add a sardine. So no waste once again. Have to make sure everything is inside there. Then you mix that one together as well. Mix. Make sure it's well mixed so that everything, the juice is right in there. Add your carrots. I prefer adding the carrots before the other veggies because carrots are a bit hard, so it takes time to get some of the crunch off. Okay, so add your carrots and fry. Don't mind me, guys. So fry your carrots for a while, then goes in the cabbage. Mix the cabbage to mix, and let it fry for a while. Then you get your powdered pepper in there. So it can be more, it can be less, just the way you want it. Okay, mix the pepper in as well and fry for some seconds. You don't need to overcook this. Then add your green pepper, spring onions, and voila, you are almost done. So at this stage you add your chicken stock. So you didn't see me add any seasoning because there's so much in the stock, and I didn't want to add anything again because it was fine. So this is some flour mixture, flour and water, just to thicken up the whatever in the pan for a bit, just to thicken it up and make it like saucy. I didn't want any, but I wanted to feel some sauce in there. So I added the mixture and mixed it as well, and I think my stock had enough spice and salt, so it was fine. Then I thought of adding some water to make it, to loosen it up. So I added some water. Totally optional, guys, totally optional. You can choose to ignore the flour mixture and the water, but can you see what I wanted? You feel the sauce in there. So almost done. I left it on for like few seconds, just to, I don't even know, but just to and that was it. So I served mine with some rice, some paired chicken, and voila. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching to this far. You can create yours. Cooking is all about you, and see you in another video. Mwah.